Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn long vowel sounds chart. Do you know what are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels and each of these vowel has two sound, the short sound and the long sound. The short sound is A, E, O, and the long sound is the actual name of the letter A, E, I, O, U. So in this video we will learn long vowel A with different spelling patterns. Now let's learn step by step. Let's learn long vowel A with different spelling patterns. Whenever you see vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read A as long vowel A sound. As in k, a, k, cake. As I told you, the sound of A is A. But in this word we are reading A as long vowel A sound because of this magic E. This magic E changed the vowel, say its name. So we are saying long vowel A, k, a, k, cake, and this E is silent. Let's suppose I have a word t, a, p, tap. But if I add here magic E, it will becomes tape, t, a, p, tape. Because this magic E changed the vowel, say its name. So we will say long vowel sound. A, tape. Same here. N, a, name. Next spelling pattern is whenever you see these two letters combination A and I together in a word, we will make sound A. We will use long vowel A sound. Or we can say when two vowel goes walking, the first goes talking and second one remains silent. Let's learn in these examples. A, n, rain. T, a, tail. Next long vowel A spelling pattern is A and Y make sound long vowel A. This spelling pattern usually come at the end of a word, as in d, a, day, p, a, play. The last spelling pattern is whenever you see E, I, G, H together in a word, we will make sound A. 4 letters, one sound. A, as in eight, 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 wait. So these are all long vowel A with different spelling patterns. Next example is long vowel E with different spelling pattern. When the letter E and E together in a word, or we can say when two vowel goes walking, the first goes talking and second one remains silent. E and E together in a word, we will make sound E, long vowel E sound, as in B, E, B, T, E, tree. E and A make sound E, E, F, leaf, E, T, eat. I and E also make sound long vowel E, as in F, E, D, field. Ch, E, F, chief. This is another long vowel E spelling pattern. The actual sound of Y is Y. But if Y comes at the end of a word, then we will read Y as E sound, as in happy, baby. E and Y also make sound long vowel E, and this spelling pattern usually come at the end of a word, as in k, E, key, monk, E, key, monkey. Long vowel I with different spelling pattern. Whenever you see vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read I as long vowel I sound, as in b, I, k, bike. T, time. Because we have vowel, this is consonant and a silent E. So we are reading I as long vowel, I sound. Time. Whenever you see I, G, H together in a word, we will read as long vowel, I sound. As in, I, t, night. I, t, light. In this long vowel I spelling pattern, if Y come at the end of a word and that word has only one syllable, then we will read Y as I sound, as in fly, cry. I and E make sound I, as in t, I, tie. P, I, pie. Next spelling pattern is long vowel O with different spelling patterns. Whenever you see vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read O as long vowel, O sound, as in p, o, bone, o, s, nose. O and A make sound O, as in b, o, t, boat, o, d, road. O and W make sound O, as in s, o, snow. G, o, grow. O and E make sound O, as in t, o, toe. J, o, joe. So these are all different spelling pattern that has long vowel O sound. The last spelling pattern is long vowel U. U. As I told you, whenever you have vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read vowel as long vowel sound, as in k, u, b, cube, fl, u, t, flute. U and E make sound U, as in p, u, blue, t, u, true. E and W make sound U, as in f, u, few, u, new. E and U make sound U, as in Europe, fuel. So these are all different spelling pattern that has long vowel A sound.